Hello YouTube and welcome to Vintage Museum on YouTube. This is the Northwestern Vending Machine. It vends toy capsules on 20p. It's a nice colour, red. This is in metal, side as well, and the back. This side as well. This is plastic, hard plastic. There's no cracks to their plastic at all. This is the nice trimming on the side. Top's metal. There's a few scratches to the top of the metal, and it's sort of weathered a bit as well, so there's a bit of colour fade into that. Nice heavy door there for the when the capsules come through there, they sort of stay there. You open it up and they come through there. Takes 20p. Mechanisms metal. We'll try 20p out. Obviously this is from the 80s, early 80s. It's a nice big machine. You could put a stand on it as well. There's 4 holes underneath it, so you can get it onto a stand. So there we go. Ahead and open it. It's about 10 inches wide and 30 inches tall. This one hasn't got a key, so you have to get a fat screwdriver on it. It's secure enough, but if you did want to get a key for it, keys are available on eBay. That's heavy, that is. What's inside it? Right, to open it up, you just sort of go like that. That's the coin mech. That's the cash box there. Cash box. That's inside the vending machine. There's no rust at all. It's in very good condition. And there's the holes so you can get it onto a stand. Northwestern. Thanks for visiting my channel, and check out my other videos. I'll be uploading some more vintage vending machines. I've got a few beavers I'll be doing reviews on. I've got a super rep machine. I'll be doing a review on that soon. So yeah, check out my other classics. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day. Goodbye.